In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default font size, style, and color in Microsoft Outlook. Fast. 2025 Guide. Start by opening your web browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing into your account. Make sure you're logged into the exact mailbox where you want these defaults to apply, because the settings you change are tied to the signed-in account. Next, click on File. If you're in the Outlook desktop app, the File menu is where formatting options live. If you're using Outlook on the web, you'll access the same kind of controls from the Settings area, which will open now. Click on Settings. This is the gear icon near the top right. A panel will open on the side with quick options. To see the full set of mail preferences, choose Mail so you're looking at mail-related settings rather than general account or calendar options. In the Mail section, select Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook controls your default message format, including the font family, size, style, and color that new messages, replies, and forwards will use automatically. Find the Fonts area, then scroll down to the Font Controls and choose the font style you want. Pick a font family that's easy to read across devices, such as a clean sans serif if you prefer a modern look, or a classic serif for a more traditional feel. While you're here, set the size to something comfortable and accessible. Many people find 11 or 12 points to be a good baseline for clarity, especially on high-resolution displays. If you need emphasis, you can use bold or italics sparingly rather than making your default font too heavy. Now click on Color and select the color you want. Choose a color that provides good contrast against a white or light background so your text is legible for everyone. Very light or neon shades may look appealing, but can be hard to read. So aim for strong, accessible hues that align with your personal or brand style. When you're happy with your selections, click Save. This applies your new defaults immediately. From this point on, Outlook will use your chosen font, size, and color whenever you compose a new email or reply and forward, without you having to reformat each message. Note that existing emails won't change retroactively, and if you use a signature, you may want to update its formatting separately so it matches your new defaults. If you move between Outlook on the web and the desktop app, remember, each environment can keep its own defaults, so repeat these steps in the one you use most often. And that's it. You've quickly set your default font size, style, and color in Outlook.